Hello, welcome to Derisnap.com. In this video you are going to see how to set re-entry features in short straddle strategy. First, go to Straddles. Then select the expiry you wish to trade. After that, in Next tab, you need to confirm the strikes of calls and puts. Once that is done, on Next tab please set quantities. Then you can enable re-entry settings. This toggle switch allows you to activate or deactivate the re-entry feature for this particular strategy. When set on, the strategy is allowed to re-enter a position with initial logic after an exit. This feature enables you to re-enter in a new position with initial logics after strategy gets exited by hitting stop loss or trailing stop loss. First, let me explain why re-entry is the most important feature in systematic trading. Why do you need re-entry in systematic trading? The first is missed opportunity. Sometimes the strategy might close a trade prematurely due to some short-term fluctuations or some noise or gamma spikes in the market. Re-entering would allow the same strategy to capture the potential gains it missed initially. This does make sense to enter again. Next one would be adjustment to the new information. Based on new market information and price movements, the strategy outlook on a particular option may change. Re-entering the trade can help the algorithm to adjust to this new information and take advantage of the trade setups based on the initial logic. Next one is to enhance overall profitability. Re-entry can be used to scale into a position gradually. If the initial trade shows promising results, the strategy might choose to add the position with initial logics as the trade evolves. After enabling re-entry, you will see waiting time for re-entry. This defines the cooling off period before the next entry you wish to happen. This defines the minimum time gap the system should wait before entering a new position after an exit. For example, if you set this to 0:15. After an exit, the system will wait 15 minutes before checking for re-entry conditions. And will re-enter a new trade. Next is time to close orders before expiry. This tells the system when to automatically square off all open positions before expiry. This is very important for options strategies where letting your positions till the end could result in assignment or any unwanted outcomes. So you can choose where you want to exit the strategy in current expiry. And move to next expiry if needed. This helps to avoid end-of-day volatility. For example, setting 1 hour ensures that all positions are exited 1 hour before market close on expiry day. After exiting your positions, system will automatically move to next expiry, if next calendar date is chosen on next settings. Then you need to set date to stop re-entry. Date to stop re-entry. This is where you can specify a final date after which the system should stop taking any re-entry trades. This will be useful for time-bound strategies or managing risk around events. For example, here selecting June 25th ensures that all strategy positions will continue to enter positions with initial logic till 25th of June. And then, this will be automatically stopped 1 hour before market close on June 25th expiry day. Here you need to understand. Here you have entered a trade in June 24th expiry, the system will continue to take trades till the time mentioned in time to close orders before expiry. And then the strategy will continue to take trades in until June 25th expiry, as we selected June 25th is the date to stop re-entries. This implies system will automatically move to next expiry and thereon till the calendar date specified in date to stop re-entries. After that, in advanced settings, please set the stop loss and trailing for this strategy. Once both stop loss and trailing is done, you can start the bot. Then open orders will be created. Once the orders gets filled, it will be moved to open positions. And in the active straddle tab you can see the open positions. And then you can view current strategy re-entry settings by clicking Info button. Here you can clearly see the strategy once again got re-entered with initial logics, in selected expiry after the given re-entry time of 15 minutes. And you can find the strategy is taking a next trade within the initial set re-entry time of 15 minutes for every exits. Here you can clearly identify that the trade has been stopped in current expiry for the given time. And then the strategy has been automatically moved to next expiry of June 25th. At any time if you wish to stop the re-entry, you can use Stop Re-entry Settings in Active Straddles Area tab. Once all the re-entries are done, strategy gets exited. Thank you.